Around the world, restoring forest landscapes protects the environment and supports livelihoods. Restoration sequesters carbon to mitigate climate change, and it can enhance biodiversity upon which we all depend. Large restoration initiatives have begun globally. The Great Green Wall is an African example that plants trees as well as assists their natural regeneration. Many of these initiatives, however, have only shown limited progress to date, partly because they pay insufficient attention to what trees to plant where and how to get hold of the right seeds and seedlings. To do restoration better, we work to establish tree seed systems that ensure the supply of high-quality planting material matched to the site and purpose of planting. Where possible, we emphasize the use of indigenous trees to promote biodiversity. An example of our work is a Patspo initiative in Ethiopia, which is planting seed orchards of indigenous trees to meet seed needs. Planners of tree planting also need practical knowledge on how to source good quality tree seeds. To meet this demand, we have created the Resources for Tree Planting platform that provides over 200 relevant information resources. Its purpose is to encourage more effective tree planting for both livelihoods and the environment, emphasizing planting by small-scale growers in the tropics.